Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to cover how to handle errors using try and except. Let's get started. We have our code here and there's a lot of mistake, a lot of errors here, and we're going to check each error one by one. If I run my code, we are going to get a syntax error. So this is, as you can see here, to get a syntax error, it's this line here. Okay, I will comment this line and then let's run our code again. We get now a 0 division error. It's this line number 5. I'll comment this line also, and the next error is going to be a name error. Let's check. Indeed, we get a name error because spam is not defined. I'll comment this line of code, and then the last one is a type error. Yes, we get a type error because we cannot concatenate a string to an integer. So this is the kind of error we get. So in order for us to handle this type of error, we can use the try and except block, and the try and except block syntax look like this. So this is how our try and except block look like. So if we have like a code here, and let's say for example, if we run our code here, it will first check the try statement. So if we run the code block, our code will first check the try statement, and if an exception is raised, it will stop running. It will stop running the try block and go check the except block. So that's how the try and except block works. I will comment this, and we're gonna get we're gonna use a real example. I will copy this code. I'm going to use this code. Yes, so this is a simple code where we are going to ask the user for some input. We are simply going to ask the user to enter a number, and then we're going to convert the number into an integer and then break. But if we get, for example, we enter something wrong, something that is not a number, we are going to, our code is going to print invalid number. Please try again. So let's give this a try. I will run the code. Please enter a number. if let's say for example I enter B, you see I get invalid number, please try again. So my while loop will keep running until I enter number. Let's say if I enter C. C is not a number, so I get invalid number again, please try again. Now this time if if I enter for example 5, the code breaks and I get out of a loop. I get out of a while loop. So this is basically how we can handle error using try and except, the try and except block. I hope this video was useful. If you found value from this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.